Hello. Hello, welcome back sa ating CBTL Take Home Edition.
Home talaga. Take
Take
out
out edition.
home edition.
Mapakaramdam. Ayun, di ba mas mapakano? Parang,
Runny nose eh. Ayan. Ulit. Kasi nag-start na kami kanina. Tapos na-realize namin na puno na pala yung storage yung cellphone ko. So ulit-ulit.
ulit.
Title. Alpha Demo Omega Demo Nai Bokutachiwa. In English,
na yan.
neither Alpha nor Omega we are. Or we are neither. Neither. Same shit.
Neither.
Potato.
it's
Alpha nor
neither.
Omega. Whatever.
Ayan.
So, description. The Omegaverse love of two people living together while pretending to be betas. If only we were Alpha and Omega. You and Ren start living together as beta friends. You is secretly in love with the gentle and calm Ren. On the other hand, Ren feels the same way, but can't put it into words. Is there a reason why he can't let you know his feelings?
Yes. 3
Yes.
volumes, as I mentioned earlier. 3 volumes
3
siya.
volumes, sabi kanina. Siyempre, hindi nyo alam dahil wala dito yung video.
Ito siya. Teka, pakita ko yung picture ng ano siya, ng kanilang istorya. Ano lang ito? Images.
Google Images.
Gumagaya siya. Ayan.
Fairness Ang ganda ng camera mo sa. Ibang camera yung gamit namin today.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng focus, di ba? Kasi yung isa, pagka nagsushow ako, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Nakaka-voice ito eh. But yeah. Ito yung itsura niya. Ito si Yu.
Blonde.
Diba? Yes, si Yu. Hindi siya brown, light brown.
Brown, okay.
And this is
Ren.
Ren.
Okay.
Yan. Di ba?
Mhm.
Gapo. Ganda ng drawing nito actually.
Okay, continue.
Teka lang. Wala masyadong pictures.
Hindi na, antok na mi.
Okay. So anyways, yung buhay nila, since 3 volume siya, yung first volume is more of a domestic life nilang dalawa. Yan.
But, hindi pa sila mag-jowa. Diba sabi mo kanina?
Hindi talaga sila mag-jowa. Hindi talaga sila mag-jowa. Okay. So, hindi talaga sila mag-jowa. So, they started living together after 6 months of getting to know each other. So, ang living situation nila is they're housemates. So, they have separate rooms. Kaya, walang nangyayari sa kanila at walang labi-dabi. So, pero parang, of course, si Yu, he's catching feelings and things like that. So, ang pangit ang boses ko today.
Ilang kita yung pose ko dito sa?
Tapan natin.
Ano, okay na yan.
Hindi nakita masyadong boses ko. So, it is, pero one time, while Ren was out, Ren is working as a mechanic. And Yu is working as a baker sa isang bakery. Tapos they decided to live together after siguro mga 3 months after 6 months after patanggap sa trabaho si Yu.
Okay.
So,
Ano, nag-start ba sila dyan na estudyante muna?
no.
Trabaho na.
Trabaho na sila. So, one time, habang nasa labas si Ren at saka, kasi he is trying to get medicine for Yu. Kasi ito si Yu, may mga may mga sleep issues siya na there would be one day na he started to get feverish and then he would sleep for like a week. He would sleep non-stop for like a week. So medyo out of it talaga siya for that whole week. So etong si Ren, lumabas siya to procure such medicines for that.
Okay.
Yan. Tapos, nasa labas ngayon to si Yu, pauwi na galing ng work. Tapos, nasa train station na siya, may lumabas. Well, hindi may lumabas. May nakakita sa kanya na lalaki.
Okay.
So, this guy's name is Natsu. Itong si Natsu, nilapitan siya na, tinawag siya, Kai, where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. And you never contacted me, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Tapos sabi na to ni you must be mistaken. Maybe hindi ako yung hinahanap mo. And of course, hindi siya Tagalog. So, maybe you mistook me for someone else, ganyan. Pero sabi nito, no, I'm sure na ikaw si Kai, ganito, ganyan. Binigyan niya yung calling card niya. Ngayon, pagkabigyan niya ng calling card niya, umalis na yata. They went their separate ways, ganyan.
Okay.
So, parang ito si Yu, flashback, ganyan.
Konti-konti.
Oo.
With matching headache to.
Oo. Like, ganon.
Okay.
Ganon crazy, ganyan.
The cliche part. Okay.
Oo. So, pagbalik niya ng bahay, he started to feeling feverish again, ganyan. So, sabi nito ni Ren, habang nagsisigaw siya sa train station, nasa train station pa rin sila sa platform. Habang nagsisigaw siya sa train station, biglang dumating si Ren. So, on his way to home na, ganyan. Pagdating nila sa bahay, Ren, si Yu started feeling feverish, ganyan. And then, tulog ulit siya.
Okay.
Tapos, ngayon, hinanap nito ni Ren yung may-ari ng calling card. Eh, yung calling card is working for a brothel. Omega brothel.
So, Omega yung naghanap sa kanya. Okay. Health services.
Health club. Yeah, health club. Omega Health Club. Yan. Kasi yun ang tawag sa kanila sa Japan na health club. Yan. Ang hirap magsalita po sa ito. So, anyways, yun. Nung yun, hinanap niya kung sino yung nagbigay. Nag-book siya ng service. And then, he came clean kung ano yung sitwasyon nito ni Yu. Yan sabi niya, he lost his memories. So, the beginning of magkakakilala nila was actually maybe about 3 months before nung start, 3 months before siya nakahanap ng trabaho.
Okay.
And then 6 months after that, itong situation na to.
Okay.
Ngayon, so that's about 9 months na. So, nung first day na nagkita si Yu at saka si Ren, sinave ni Ren si Yu sa assault ng 3 alphas or 3 or 4 na alphas.
Okay.
Yan. Tapos, ang nangyari nun, na umpog or may concussion, dinala niya sa hospital and everything like that. So, sabi niya hindi niya maalala ang name niya. But then, naalala niya yung passcode niya and everything, ganyan. Tapos, while nasa hospital, sabi niya, I hope, bago sila dumating sa hospital, I don't want to be an Omega anymore, ganyan.
Okay, so sila madalas. Okay.
So ngayon, after a few days na kasi pinagstay ni Yu sa bahay niya si Ren baliktad. Pinagstay ni Ren si Yu sa bahay niya for quite a few days.
Clarify Si Yu, yung may amnesia na Omega.
Oo.
Okay. Si Ren, si Alpha.
Oo.
Na
So,
Beta. Okay.
Huh?
Sabi diba, I hope we're both.
Hindi, kasi
Anyways,
ito na nga yung story. So, since he felt like, he was talking about like he's an alpha, pero he's safe kasi he's a defective alpha, ganyan, sabi niya. So, walang indications ng rot or anything like that na binanggit sa whole story.
Okay.
Walang indications ng rot na
binanggit. Sa mga defects na yun?
Walang sinabi. Hindi sinabi regarding that. So anyways, sila, they started staying with each other, ganyan. Tapos, parang after a few days, sabi nito ni Yu na, he's not feeling well. And he feels a little bit feverish. Then sabi nga nito ni Ren na, it must be your heat. It's because you're on Omega. Tapos sabi nito ni Yu, ito pala, hindi naaalala ni Yu yung pangalan niya. So sabi niya, ang nakalagay na sa phone niya na pangalan niya is
last name lang.
Hindi, Hanazaki Nanami.
Okay.
Something like that. Basta Nanami. Nanami yung first name niya. Kaya sabi niya, since I don't really identify with that name. Kasi hindi niya nga maalala. So, maybe you could just give me a name.
Kaya nabuo si
Oo.
Kai. Ay, si
You.
Kai, si you.
So, yun yung binigay na pangalan ni Ren sa kanya. Tapos, ang kanji for that is eternal or eternally or something like that. So, wait, pause. Sisinga lang ako. So, yan. After that, after a few days nga, ang sabi siya na, yun, sabi nga na rin na it must be your heat, ganyan. This time of your heat. Sabi nga nito ni you, what heat? What omega? What are you talking about? I'm a beta. Ganon. Tapos nag-agree na lang sila na you're right, you are beta, we're both betas, ganyan. So they decided to live as betas. So, since si you, hindi niya naman maalala talaga to begin with, so nag-agree na lang ito si Ren na, okay, you're right, we're betas. I'm so sorry about that. Ganyan. Ganun ang dating. So, it's just, it's to protect you. So, sinabi ngayon, kwento yung lahat ni Ren kay Natsuo. Ngayon, to avoid the confusion in Yu's brain, mamaya mo na panoorin.
Sige, tuloy mo.
To avoid the confusion in Ren's brain, nag-agree ngayon ito si Natsuo to meet with you to say na he was mistaken.
Na hindi siya si Kai.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi nakita nila napansin ni Yu napansin ni Natsuo yung big difference between the old guy and the new Yu.
Okay. So like what? Mas lively, mas ganda.
Oo, mas buhay and the smile was there. Because Kai was not smiling at all when they were working together in the health club.
May nga pala siya. Okay, continue.
Pati siya nawala na.
Okay.
So yun, they become friends na, ganyan. So, resume resume ang slice of life. Yan, slice of life, ganyan. Tapos maya, dumating yung background nito ni Ren. Since Ren is an alpha, illegitimate child siya ng isang big conglomerate company. Ganyan. So, since he was viewed as a defect, as I mentioned earlier, kasi, slow siya sa studies niya. Hindi siya magaling
Sabi mo nga.
Oo, hindi siya yung expected alphas ng usual Omegaverse world, yan. So, hindi siya yung top, ganyan.
Sabi mo nga.
He's a very below average alpha. Ayan. Kasi,
Hindi lang basta average siya, below average.
oo, below average siya. Kasi hindi siya magaling sa studies, hindi siya athletics, tapos colorblind siya. Ayan, colorblind siya. So, every time may binabanggit na this looks pretty, pero parang may autism din siya. So, whatever. So, this looks pretty. Yung kanya, which part, siguro black and white ang paningin niya.
So, it's okay.
Oo.
It's okay.
Or, very selective lang yung colors na nakikita niya. Kasi lagi niya na may mismatch yung mga medyas niya, laging mismatch. Tapos, pag nag-a-arrange sila ng decors, laging mismatch yung kulay, red, green, red, ganyan. So,
parang napagpapalit niya ba? Or not necessarily? Hindi niya lang talaga
hindi niya talaga kita.
Okay, so parang aso.
I guess so. Kaya lang kasi, may napag-usapan sila before na they both love looking at potteries. So,
That's gray.
hindi.
Brown.
Hindi. Potteries.
Oh, di ba usually clay?
No. Pottery, may design na and everything.
Yung design na. In-expect ko kasi yung pattern
Ceramic.
talaga.
Hindi. So, they both like looking at pottery works.
Okay.
Ngayon, sabi dito ni Rena, he would want to do it someday, ganyan. And he would want to use the color blue because the blue looks like the sky. And
So, yun lang yung siguro yung color na niya.
Siguro, he wants to see what it looks like. Tapos siya yung may gawa. Okay na, so flashback na, iwasan ko na yung kamay ko, ha?
Tigilan mo na kasi yung kamay mo.
Kasi nag-end video bigla eh.
Kasi meron siyang gestures.
Gesture siguro. So, anyways, yan. Hindi mo kasi sinabi ko dahil ano na, and ganyan.
Siguro.
Siguro. So, yan. Ano na,
Nag-stop na, gano'n.
they love it. They were living their life, ganyan. Tapos biglang dumating yung kuya. Ay, bunso nila doon sa pamilya na,
Alpha to,
na,
ano, Omega?
oo, na Alpha.
So, kay
Bunso
Ren
ng
yan.
Alpha. Kay Ren side.
Okay.
Tapos, sabi nito ni kapatid na he's an alpha, living with a prostitute Omega. Yan.
Diba?
Ang kausap si you. So, parang he's not an alpha, he's a beta, ganyan. Tapos kaya sabi nito ni kapatid na he's manipulating you, ganyan. Parang dahil sa confusion niya, and he felt like
He got tricked.
hindi lang yun eh. Ren was lying to him. He decided to stay with Natsuo. So, since si Natsuo is super friendly sa kanya, and talagang naging close na sila, silang gamit, nakagat ka ba? So, tinawagan ni Natsuo si Ren. Tinawagan ni Ren si Natsuo na ganito, ganyan. Sabi na ni Natsuo, yeah, he's with me and he can stay, ganyan. Pause. Yeah, and as I said, gusto ko mag-ice cream. Yung caramel, yung sa Mercury. Anyways, after a few days naman, bumalik na itong nakausap ni Ren, yung kapatid niya na, you have to be very careful na, our older brother is, he can do something.
So, lahat ng mga magkakapatid, alphas.
Oo.
Okay.
So, he can do something as long as he wants to do it. So, parang siya,
Pinabanta.
implied threat.
Oo.
Implied threat kay you because if you do something to
To Ren.
hindi. If you do something to kind of drag our name, ganyan. Alam mo naman yung typical na mayaman daw sa sa manga world.
society nila.
Manga world. Kasi usually lahat ng karamihan ng mayaman, karamihan ng mayaman sa sa manga world is mata pobre, ganyan. Bihira yung hindi mata pobre.
True.
So, edi okay na. Ngayon, doon nag-start yung ni Ren na end of chapter, end of volume na to volume 2.
2. So until volume 2, wala talaga.
Wala talagang tama, walang
Walang relasyon talaga sila. Okay.
Itong lang, end of volume 2 lang talaga na
Next start.
Oo, or beginning of volume 3.
Okay.
Yung matindihang pag-aminan, ganyan.
Okay.
So, umuwi na ito si Yu, kasama niya si Natsuo. So, ngayon, hinatid siyang ganyan. Umamin na ngayon to si Natsuo.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Nung paglabas ni Natsuo ng bahay, kinausap siya ni Ren. Sabi niya na, kasi parang before that, nag-decide na si Ren na it must be time to kind of separate ways. Kasi, I don't want to harm you. I want to protect him. Ganyan.
Okay.
Ayun, kinausap niya si Natsuo na, maybe, I entrust him to you. I'm sorry that I cannot fulfill my promise that I will take care of him. Pero, it needs to be done para something ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos, pati yung owners ng bakery na pinapasukan nito ni Yu, kinausap niya din.
Okay.
Oo, before pa umuwi si Yu, kinausap niya na yun. Sinabi niya na he's an Omega and body condition that he was having was because of his heat, kaya nang ganito kayo nangyari, kasi ganito, ganyan. And then, nag-promise naman yung mag-asawa yung may-ari na bakery. Promise naman yung mag-asawa na they'll take care of him, ganyan. Tapos, pag-uwi niya ng bahay, nandun na nga si Yu. Kinausap niya. Tapos, sabi niya, ang pagkakasabi niya is very harsh na it's time that we go our separate ways because
So para hindi siya habulin.
Oo, it's time we go our separate ways because I'm tired of living a better life with you. I'm actually an alpha and my brother has decided to leave me the business.
Pero hindi naman totoo.
Oo, leave the business with me and I'm tired of already, living this mediocre or average life with you. Kailangan ko na bumalik sa bahay namin.
Okay.
Yan. Iniwanan
Ganun yung
siya.
drama niya.
Ganyan yung drama niya. Iniwanan siya ganyan. Di umalis. Naglaho parang bala. Ngayon, after 2 years, putang ina. Nakagat yung chicks ko. After 2 years, hinayaan lang kasi ni syempre, iyak-iyak siya, ganyan.
Pero let go lang.
Oo. Kasi ganun yung pagkakasabi sa kanya, he's going back to his alpha life, na, di ba, you shouldn't, parang ang dating kay you should not bother me because you're just, who are you, ganun. Yan. After 2 years, parang, he still does not know his past.
Ay, may tagal nung niya, hindi bumalik yung...
Hindi, wala. Wala at all.
Nag-stay yung amnesia niya.
Oo, nag-stay yung amnesia niya. Hindi siya partial, hindi siya temporary. Is amnesia.
Nag-start talaga siya ng new life.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero support pa rin si Natsu sa kanya.
Okay.
So, di ang nangyari, he's still working in the bakery. And, he started giving talks about sa nangyari sa kanya because of the violence, ganyan.
Pero dyan, na siya na sinasabi niya na Omega siya?
Oo. Okay. Nakakilala kasi siya doon sa bakery, nakakilala siya ng
Omega.
Ng customer na who's doing or organizing talks for Omegas regarding their safety, the laws, ganyan. So, he was invited to speak.
Information, dissemination.
He was invited to speak, ganyan. So, he's been doing that nung after 2 years silang maghiwalay.
Okay.
Yun, parang he felt like
Wait lang, pause. 900K, 2 pesos lang.
Okay.
Depende sa...
So, he felt like the confidence that he has at the moment is because Ren protected him so much. Sabi niya, hindi niya malaman kung ano yung extent ng pag-protect niya, ganyan.
But he knows that he was protected.
So, he decided to look for Ren. Di pinuntahan niya itong si Natsuo kasi, even though he's working as a host or health representative.
Host lang.
Hindi. Health representative talaga siya. Hindi siya host. Kasi talagang they do sexual stuff eh.
Okay.
But not penetrative sex. Yun ang usapan sa
Hindi, ganun talaga kapag health services. They just provide you stuff to help your sexual health.
Siya parang happy ending massage. Yan. Pero hindi penetrative.
Wala actual intercourse.
Yan. So anyways.
Okay. Continue.
He decided to look for Ren and then nahanap itong si Natsuo, ang jowa niya is a beta.
Okay.
Oo, ang jowa niya is a beta na writer. May mga...
Journalist?
Hindi, writer.
Writer lang.
Oo. Author.
Okay.
Ngayon, itong si author, meron sila si Natsuo at si author, may mga may mga snippets sila, mga extra episodes at chapters sa sa buong
story
sa buong manga. Hindi ko alam kung meron sila separate manga. I never checked.
Okay.
But anyways, cute yung relationship na pinapakita between them. Ngayon, ang tagal na nila. In fairness, ang tagal na nila. Kasi even before pa, mawala si Natsu. So, siguro,
Si Yu.
hindi, tama. Even before mawala si Kai. Ayan, si Kai. Even before mawala si Kai, they were already together eh.
Okay.
So, yun. Tagal na nila, in fairness. Beta and Omega. So, ngayon, ito, yung mga side stories parang pinapakita na ni Sinatsu. Sinasabihan niya si author. Ano pangalan ng author?
Basta author na lang.
Sinasabihan niya si author na, what are you doing? Why are you slacking off? You need to provide for me. You need to write to provide for me. You need to earn a lot of money. You need to write a lot so you can earn a lot so you can provide for me.
Para hindi na siya magtatrabaho.
Hindi. Paano lang talaga?
Luho lang.
Oo, luho lang ba? Kasi he's working eh. So anyways, yun, si author is may kakilalang detective because of his job. Kasi since a writer, he needs inspiration, he needs data. So he talks to multiple
Different people.
depending do sa storya niya.
Yep.
Hindi pinapakita kung ano yung story niya and everything.
Basta ganun lang. Okay.
So yun, inintroduce ni Natsuo. Naghanap ng information si Natsuo regarding kay Ren and then nahanap nila yung bahay. Ngayon, pagdating ni Yu, doon sa bahay ni Ren, sabi nung caretaker sa labas, Ren does not live here for a long time. Has
Hindi
not
siya
lived
umuwi.
here for a long time. Sinurinta na siya altogether na syempre, whatever. Tapos,
Kasi I thought, uwi siya, pero
hindi,
maybe
wala talaga.
happy
As in,
life. So, hindi pala talaga siya umuwi.
wala talaga. Tapos noon, parang na-realize nito ni Yu na parang he really did that to protect me, ganyan. Ngayon, tinry niya namang hanapin yung sarili niya.
Okay.
Kasi hindi niya pa rin maalala kung sino siya, ganyan. So, pinuntahan nila yung ancestral house.
May ancestral.
Oo.
Alam
Kasi-
ni Natsu.
Natsuo, hindi. Kasi bago umalis itong si
Si Ren.
Ren, pinakita niya lahat ng detalye regarding sa family nito ni Yu.
From Natsu.
Hindi.
Parang niya nalaman yung family.
Alam niya yung pangalan ni Nana
As
niya
of
eh.
research niya.
Research niya, meron siya mga pamphlets and everything. Yung pala, ang pamilya nito ni Yu is famous for ikebana.
Sa arrangements. Okay.
Oo. So ngayon, pagpunta niya doon, parang na-surprise yung bumaba ng taxi.
Na nandun siya.
Oo. Doon ayon sa research ni Ren na binasa ni Yu, there were 7 siblings.
Okay.
So ang pangalan nila is alpha woman, alpha girl. At tapos since wala siyang maalala doon, pero ramdam niya na yung pagkakita nito, parang you're here.
Oo.
Parang ganun na, parang what are you doing here, ganyan. So naramdaman niya na hindi siya welcome.
Okay.
Tapos nung backstory, pinakita na kinausap ni Ren pala itong si ate.
Kausap din. Okay.
Kinausap na rin si
Tsaka
ate.
niya.
Oo,
Bago siya umalis talaga.
hindi, even from the beginning, nung na-aksidente or nung dinala niya sa
so
ospital,
tinawagan
tinawagan niya na
Okay.
ito nangyari, ganyan. Tapos ang pagkakasabi pa, it happened to him again.
Again?
Yun ang
So,
pagkakasabi.
ibig sabihin nangyari na
So it's
previously,
parang common na nangyari kay
na
Oo.
siya kasi na Omega siya.
Oo. So parang ang pagkakasabi niya doon kay Ren na you don't need to talk to me anymore about him. We've cut him off, ganyan.
Kasi nga Omega.
Oo. We've cut him off and he's just causing trouble, ganyan. Pero every now and again, ina-update ka pa din, ganyan. Tapos may one time na may tumatawag sa phone ni Ren na hindi niya sinagot. Tapos tinanong ni Yu si Ren na, did you see who's calling?
Oo.
Tinanong ni Ren ha, kay you, that did you see who's calling? Ayan. So, sabi niya, no, I did not see. Parang yun, na-realize ni Yu na even before then, pinoprotektahan na siya. Ayan. So, even yung mga, mga sleeping spells niya, yung sleeping condition niya, wala talaga nangyayari sa kanila. Tapos, napag-alaman niya din na, pause. Ayan. So, anyways, asan na yung tissues? So, after nung ma-realize na yun, may hinanap pa siyang isa pang bagay kasi napag-alaman niya din na naglalagay ito si Ren sa isang area dun sa dati nilang tinitirahan. Tapos nalaman niya na ito palang si Ren bumibili ng gamot sa underground. Parang illegal seller. Kasi ang binibili niyang suppressants is for alphas. Kasi yung suppressants na binibili niya is parang masyadong mataas ang dosage, plus it's harmful to the body pero effective. Kasi it causes you to have respiratory issues. Laging umuubo ito si Ren.
So yun pala yung sign.
Oo. So yun, lalo niyang na-realize na, oh my gosh, he's really looking out for me, protecting me and all that, ganyan. Ngayon, he tried na hanapin pero dead end. Dead end lahat ng pinuntahan niya. Dead end lahat ng hinanap niyang information. And then after that, some months passed, he was walking, parang na-intriga siyang sumakay sa isang bus kasi may stop na or train station na may stop na pupuntahan na never niya pa napuntahan. So he went there. Nagpunta siya doon sa area. He was looking around things and then he saw a shop that's for ceramics.
Okay.
For pottery works. So pagpasok niya ganun, tingin-tingin siya. May nakita siya isang side na puro blue yung mga ceramic jobs, yung pottery works. So, nagpaka-curious siya kasi walang pangalan. Walang pangalan yung, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Parang, it sparkles, it catches your attention. Tapos, ang nakalagay na doon sa made by, in the woods at Mount Y. Yan, Mount Y. Ngayon, curious siya. Hinanap niya yun. Pinuntahan niya yung Mount Y. Tapos, meron dong parang restaurant, maliit na restaurant, mom and pop restaurant. Tapos nakita niyo doon yung pottery. Okay. Tapos sinabi niya nung owners na itong pottery na to na hindi, walang pangalan mo gawa ito ng ceramic maker, pottery maker behind our shop sa taas ng mountain.
Okay.
Ngayon, pa-curious siya, pinuntahan niya. Pagpunta niya ganun, maya-maya parang naamoy niya na yung pheromones. Tapos, nasa loob ito, yung lalaking nagagawa, naamoy niya na din yung pheromones. So, kasi nakakita silang ganun, oh my gosh, they saw each other, ganun. Yan.
So, nag-stop na siya mag-take ng gamot, in short.
He decided to leave everything behind. Yan. Tapos, sinabi niya na, I removed my name from the family registry.
Sino to?
Si Ren.
Okay.
Yun.
So, ibig sabihin pares pala silang unwanted?
Oo.
Okay.
Unfortunately. So, pinakita din naman yung background ni ate girl kung bakit sinabihan niya na, I don't want to see your face anymore, ganyan-ganyan. So, ang feeling nito ni ate girl, ni Alpha ate, na I couldn't protect him when he was a child, and
lalo na ngayon.
I certainly couldn't protect him now. So it's better that he's
so hindi
not
tayo
here.
Galit siya or something like that.
Pero kasi parang an off way
medyo weird.
To protect someone, di ba?
Weird kind of care.
Parang kasi nung mga bata sila, laging nabiberate ito dahil nga omega siya ng kanilang grandma kasi namatay na yung parents nila.
Okay.
So, nag-usap sila, ganyan-ganyan, and then, naging okay na sila, and then they live happily ever after.
So ganun lang yung story,
Oo.
So wala talagang anything na naging sila until the very end?
Oo, wala talaga. walang kissing, walang labi-dabi, ano lang talaga, like care, ganyan-ganyan. Pero yung actual na, I like you, walang ganun. Wala talaga. So, it was a very
It's just
nice story.
acceptance talaga.
Oo. It's a very nice story. It's very different, especially the way they portray the alpha. So, of course, caring siya, ganyan-ganyan. But then yung part na parang sinasabi na he's defective, and he accepted the fact that he's defective. At saka yung ano pa, yung tawag dito? Yung difference, well, not difference, but yung parang the way he was showing his love without actually speaking about it. At saka, hindi niya kailangan mag-care eh.
Kung totoo no?
Hindi niya kailangan mag-care. So,
niya lang.
it's possible na, they were fated. Pero kasi yung,
Dahil nga uminom siya ng suppressant.
hindi lang yun eh. Yung reaction nila, nung unang kita, parang hindi eh. Yung as seen sa mga fated pairs before na parang, oh my gosh, this person is my fated pairs. Walang ganun eh. So, I was just thinking na possible na fated pairs sila, kaya yung parang connection nila with each other is so strong. Pero, pwede din hindi na talagang they felt for each other lang, ganyan. So, ang ganda nung pagkakasulat ito. Ang daming comedic size, ganyan. Siyempre, hindi ko na nabanggit masyadong madami. Pero, it's 3 volumes eh. So, medyo mahaba ito. Hindi naman medyo mahaba. Hindi, 30, sa 30 lang din eh.
Pero ibig sabihin, mahaba siya than the normal manga na
Oo.
usually 1 volume,
Oo.
5 chapters.
Oo. Ito eh, may mga extras din na pinakita, ganyan. But it's very nice. It's very nice. And then, yung extras nito, last extra was, they got married.
Oh!
Yes, since they're Alpha and Omega. So, ang mga kasama lang nila sa wedding nila is the bakery couple, bakery owners, at saka si Natsuo, pati yung kanyang jowa, Wells. Ayan.
I see.
Yes. So, yeah. Yun ang ating BL at CBTL. Check out edition.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bus na. Bye.